Let's very quickly rush through brief tour of standard library. So, if you say something like import OS, get current working directory gets printed. Change directory changes it to this directory. OS system, like you could create a directory like mkdir. Okay, and you could just say dir.os returns a list of all module functions. Help OS prints help, and like if there is a SHU till, copy one database file into another, a move you can make use of. Okay, and next one is wildcards. Okay, globe star py, right? When you do globe, import a globe and star py, all the Python files, right? Prime random code gets printed. Okay, so similarly, there are few other command, error, redirection. Let's look at this mathematics. Let's say, import math of course, math pi, pi value gets like pi 3.142, that value divided by 4. So this is 0.707, and this long string gets printed. Like if you say math of log 102422, 2 to the power 10 is 1024, that gets printed. Choice, if you say one of them, it's a random, choice is part of random, one of them gets printed. In your case it may not be apple, it could be pear or banana. And if you say random sample range 110, 10 values within the range 100 gets printed. Random, some random float value gets printed. Random range 6, okay, within 6, 4 gets printed. Any one value within 6 gets printed. Statistics, if there is a data like this, you could just say mean of this data, median, variance, all of them get printed. Okay, I'm randomly picking few. Okay, like if you're doing internet access, you could just say URL open from the response. You could decode, convert bytes to string, and if it is starting with the date and time, you print that. Okay, you get something like this. Okay, next is data is included. Yeah, like for XML, RPC, email, JSON, SQLite 3, all you have standard libraries for all of these operations. Okay. Let's look at brief tour, standard library part 2, output formatting we have covered extensively. Let's look at multi-threading. What the way to do multi-threading is just you need to say background equal to async zip class, and then background dot start. Like whenever you say background dot join, whatever you would have created the thread, you wait for it to complete in the background, and then you wait till it to finish, and then you join here. Okay, next is logging. Yeah, you could just also do import logging. Logging debug equal to this, info equal to this, warning, error, critical. So this produces output like this. Okay, warning root. Okay, warning config file, server conf not found. Error equal to whatever value, critical equal to this. Okay. And see, if you are coming from other programming languages, you can very well make out how comfortable it is to use logging in Python. So yeah, we have covered everything. I'll not be covering virtual environments and packages because we are making a virtual environment study is not needed because we are making use of Anaconda. Okay, so yeah, I'll conclude at this point, and then let's get on to hands-on sessions. By now, you have gained enough knowledge in Python to start doing practical exercises. So let's meet in practical assignments. Okay, thank you.